Hey YouTube, Psychedelic Narwhal here. Today I have an important announcement to make. That Project Server Closet has been abolished and discontinued. For a few reasons, actually. First one is that there's no sufficient cooling for that room. Although I would be able to put stuff in there, it would always just get all disorganized and a total disaster. And it would just be really noisy on top of it all. Plus, I don't have any way to vent all the hot air out of there, especially since we're writing. You can see there's the consoles down there, both the Xboxes, and also my computer over there. I was also thinking about putting the servers in there and run them, but two reasons why that fell through. Number one was the one that I said before about not being enough cooling capacity in there. Second of all, this is how wide it is. This is how wide this thing is. It's not, they don't fit. None of them. Which would also ended up being a problem. You can see there's only one cord going in there, and that's merely just for the light that's in there, so I'm gonna keep it in there. See, I have it super taped up there. But yeah, you can see it's just got old parts and stuff in there, and then up here there's the keyboards and my clothes. And then there's book bags there. That's actually just about it. And that old computer that's never going to be used. I mean, let's face it, the thing never will work again. I mean, it runs, but it can't possibly have an operating system on it, because it needs... at least not any operating system I know about that could possibly work on this thing. Because, first of all, it has these parts on it. Why? Second of all, it's all IDE. All the hard drives I have are SATA. And this thing, which is an Intel Pentium 2. I didn't know things still ran Pentium. I didn't realize I would ever find something that ran a Pentium 2. But yeah, it's on the front there. Yeah. Pentium 2. Plus, this thing's just the ugliest thing I've ever seen. That goes for that IBM machine too, which I did find out its processor was an AMD K6. Never even heard about it. Now, the Sony Vaio had a little bit of a better chance, but I didn't have a working hard drive for it anymore. Plus, its CPU is done for. But yeah, you see I still have the movies and stuff there. Oops, I didn't like that. And of course the extras. Yeah, I think they'll... Oh yeah, and then there's that there. I think that's about it for this, though. Oh, I hope you listen carefully as to why this is not going to be a thing anymore. Have a nice day, everybody. And stay healthy because of all this corona thing. This was Psychedelic Narwhal. Have a nice day.